Architecture of KMM. In KMM, we have a shared business logic. Kotlin multi-platform mobile allows us to use a single code base for business logics of iOS and Android apps. But we can write platform specific code also. So we can write platform specific code whenever it is necessary, for example, to implement native UI and when working with platform specific APIs. If we look at high level architecture diagram, we are having native code for Vue for Android and Vue for iOS. So the UI components will be purely native. Shared code will have our business logic and our core logic. But in shared code also, we can have native code, means iOS specific APIs or Android specific APIs. If we want to use, we can use. Here we can see that Android specific code in Kotlin and iOS specific code in Kotlin can be used in shared module that is written in Kotlin native, pure Kotlin code. This shared module will be generated in a R file or a shared module or a library project for Android, and then native Android UI plus that library will create our Android app. Similarly, the shared module will be generated, will be converted into shared framework. This framework will be used by iOS native UI, and in this way iOS app will be developed.